Hello guys, welcome in this brand new video on my channel. I would like to show you how you can reset to default values a managed level 2 switch of TP-Link to recover username and password and to set new IP address for the LAN, network LAN of your home. Reset process consists to send a command via serial port to port console of the switch that is a normal LAN port RJ45 to reset the switch. To reset the switch, we use PuTTY program and two object, two cable that you will find link in the description. So if you can reply the tutorial, you can click on the link, Amazon link, and this help my channel to grow up. First cable is adapter cable from USB to serial port, that is a male port, first object. The second object is a second cable that have serial port, female port, and at the other side the LAN port that I will insert in console port of the switch. First of all, you can take this serial port, female port, and fit on the other male port and screw. Then you can plug USB-A in USB port of your PC and the other side in console port of the switch. Now we go to device manager of Windows because we have to set the speed of connection. You have to enter to device manager, here we go, and search COM port. You open the menu and search USB serial CH340 COM4. This is my model. If you have any other, you can find in your device manager. Double click, setting the port, bit per second. We have to set this value that is necessary for connecting to the switch via console port. Having done this, you open PuTTY program. Is a freeware program that you download from Google. Then select serial connection. Change COM1 default to COM4. That is my COM port to connect to the console port. I change the speed. That value, this is the same in device manager. When you change serial line and the speed, you can open connection and switch will respond with a green point. You have to push enter and appears the model of the switch. This symbol is a simple user connection. If we want to reset, we have to enable super user connection. With this symbol, we have enable super user. For enabling, you have to type enable and then click enter. You have this symbol of super user access. Then to resetting, you have to write reset and then click enter. System software reset. Are you sure? You have to write yes and then click enter. Now I don't do it because I have just done before, but you have to type yes and then click enter to reset. As a result of this reset process, you will obtain switch at default value. So if you want to connect, you have connect to a direct connection with a direct connection between switch and PC and enter with for TP-Link switch admin user and password, and then you can set all that you want, IP address, firewall, VLAN, all that you want in your mind. Now I have finished, and if you like this video, please share on all social, because some people need this tutorial. And then subscribe to this channel with notification bell. Ciao!